This is quite interesting. I did a little bit of an experiment with some Arran Pilot early potatoes. Got 6 tubers here, I literally put straight on top of the ground, and I covered them with some grass clippings mixed with some horse manure. The ones in the middle, again, Arran Pilot, but they were planted traditionally. I dug a hole, put the tuber in, covered with soil. Far side, tubers were put on, just on top of the ground, and I covered with some just grass cuttings. And if we had a danger of any frost, as the plants came through, I covered the middle ones with a bit more soil. I covered the far ones with some more grass clippings. Did that a couple of times, and also grass clippings on this first one. What's interesting is the manure. The one with added manure seems to be the smallest and not as advanced. The middle is the best, which is the traditionally grown, and the one on the far end, actually they're doing all right. Perhaps not as good as the middle, but they literally, say, just put straight on the ground and covered with grass cuttings. I suppose the next test will be to see what the yield will produce. So I'll have to do another video for when I harvest them.